Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the DJI Mic Mini and your phone. Plug in the receiver to confirm LED power. Charge to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, install and open the DJI Mic app and grant microphone and Bluetooth permissions so the app can detect devices. Make sure you have the correct physical adapter for your phone, Lightning for iPhone or USB-C for most Android phones. This setup lets the phone and mic exchange settings and audio streams reliably. Next, you pair the receiver to the phone. Power on both transmitter and receiver. Look for the blinking pair indicators. Then open the DJI Mic app, tap pair, and select the receiver when it appears. The app will complete the handshake and show battery and channel info. Make sure your phone's audio input is set to external mic inside the app or recording tool so the phone captures the receiver signal instead of the internal microphone. This ensures clean, direct audio capture for recordings. Finally, you verify the connection and tweak settings. Do a live audio test while monitoring levels in the DJI Mic app. Adjust transmitter gain until peaks are around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Once satisfied, secure the receiver in your phone's case or clamp and route cables to prevent strain. If you experience no audio, first confirm the adapter is fully seated and facing the right way. Then recheck app microphone permissions and battery charge. If still failing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.